In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use version history in OneDrive. Whether you're familiar with OneDrive or just starting out, this feature is incredibly useful for managing document versions and ensuring your data is always accessible. Let's dive in. First, to get started, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. So, make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you've logged in, you should land on the Microsoft account homepage. Here, at the top left corner, you'll notice an icon that we often refer to as the waffle because of its distinctive grid-like appearance. This is the app launcher icon. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll be greeted with a list of Microsoft apps. Next, let's locate the OneDrive app from this list. A simple click on OneDrive will take you directly to your OneDrive homepage. Just a quick tip, having a stable internet connection is essential to ensure these actions are carried out smoothly without any interruption. Once on your OneDrive homepage, you'll be presented with a range of options and menus. Now, focus your attention on the left side of the screen and click on the My Files tab. This tab is your gateway to all the files and folders stored in OneDrive. Your next step is to navigate through your folders to find the specific folder containing the file for which you want to view the version history. If your file collection is extensive, use the search function to make this process quicker and easier. Once you've located the folder, open it to reveal its contents. Inside this folder, find the specific file you're interested in. Selecting the file is straightforward, just click on it once to highlight it. With your file selected, it's time to check the version history. Look for the Version History option. Depending on your OneDrive layout, this option might be visible in a toolbar at the top, or you may find it under a drop-down menu labeled More Options. Clicking on Version History will display a list of all different versions of your file saved over time. Here, you can browse through the list of versions, taking note of the various dates and times to determine which version you might want to restore. Once you find the desired version, click the arrow next to it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there you will see the option to restore this version. Finally, click on Restore to complete the process. Your document is now reverted to the version you selected. Importantly, newer versions of the document are not deleted, they remain accessible in your version history, should you need them at a later time. And that's it. You've successfully utilized the version history feature in OneDrive. This tool is an excellent way to manage document edits efficiently and ensures that you never lose track of important changes. Thanks for watching, and happy file managing!